Alright, just got this power strip, and this is a TROND power strip. This is rotating, right? You could rotate this if you guys could see that, right? So it doesn't have to be fixed in one area. It can move adjustable. There's a cable management, and of course they give you a hanging place for actual screw, right? USBs, two type C's, two type A's, 1, 2, and 3 connections for 3-prong connection, if you guys can see, and a long cable. So on top of that, they give you cable management, so you can set them up into your actual wall. So it could be pretty much like level height, all right? So mostly waist height. That's how high it's gonna be. So I'm gonna put this to use and see how it works. Right. So I hide it here, but I'm still gonna grip this one. But it's perfect because it's actually holding on here. I'm gonna set this up. Now that I have access to it, because it's nice and simple, I could plug extra stuff. It doesn't have to be covering completely my sofa. It has charging station here for anybody that's going to sit by the sofa, which is great. We have type C's and type A's, and then 3 power adapters. So the power's underneath the couch. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.